For the record, my pets get delicious food. Namely,
You and your fellow what do you think happens if we all wipe each other out? All the foreign gangs see the markets opened up and start flooding into Japan.
my intention was to strengthen Division 4 as a countermeasure.
Why do you have such high hopes for Denji?
Well, there's one that's promising and one that's interesting, I'd say. I can't think of anything worse than meeting with the Kyoto bigwigs. They're so intimidating. Refreshments are hardly refreshing when you can't relax. What's interesting is how Denji's part devil. Is that something you think you can demonstrate? I believe that just from how hard I fight. When it comes to sexual matters, the better you understand your partner, the better you'll feel. How long are their fingers? But understanding another's heart is easier said than done, so start small. So if you prove me right and execute the gun devil, I think you could actually pull off the kill. Perhaps with hands. Take your time and carefully study them. In that case...
This is Team C. Do you copy? We are a go.